the old folks wishing away. You can see that the attitude of the animals is. Now that young on shore and down and run the travel bed. See how these settled old folks gonna show you never can tell. They gonna stop that apartment with a two-room IKEA sale. And the cooler raiders, screaming TV dinners and the gingerbread. When the airplane worked, that little money came and worked out where. Shit, I mean, say those old folks gonna show you never can tell. Well, the Jimmy, it's a cherry red 53. And they drove me down to Orleans to celebrate that anniversary. Wah, wah, wah. There Pierre was married to the mademoiselle. She loved these settlers old folks, gonna show you never can tell. All right. Well, it's a teenage wedding and the old folks wishing away. You can see that the air is truly with a mademoiselle. Wah, 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 the young monsieur and the dame is on the chapel bed. See how these settlers old folks gonna show you never can tell. Well, now they got a hot phone on board in a leather bag. Home of little raggers, oh, rockabilly and jazz. Wah, wah, wah. When sun went down, the rabbit temple of the music fair. Now these settlers old folks gonna show you never can tell. All they do is hey, boy. And the old folks wishing away. You see that the air is truly no matter what they. Wah, wah, wah. The young monsieur and the dame on the chapel bed. Still I mean, say those old folks gonna show you never can tell. Oh yeah, it's a teenage wedding. The old folks wishing away. You can see that the air is truly the mademoiselle. Wah, wah, wah. Now the young monsieur and the dame on the chapel bed. Still I mean, say those old folks gonna show you never can tell. Oh yeah, said I mean, say those old folks gonna show you never can tell. Thank you. And thank you for dancing away up the back there and singing along. It really does help us out a ton. Thank you so much. I would just like to tell you that we